Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the 7th question in exercise 7.8. Integral of x into log of 1 plus x squared dx. So this is of the form integral u dv, which is equal to uv minus integral v du. So let's identify the u here. So u here is log of 1 plus x squared. So du is equal to 1 by 1 plus x squared into 2x dx. Now dv is equal to x dx. So v is going to be integral of x dx, which is x squared by 2. Now let's substitute in the formula. So uv, so it is going to be x squared into log of 1 plus x squared the whole thing by 2 minus integral of v into du. So x squared by 2 into 2x divided by 1 plus x squared dx. So this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So this is x squared into log of 1 plus x squared by 2 minus integral x cubed divided by 1 plus x squared dx. Now the degree of the numerator is bigger than that of the denominator, so we are going to perform long division. So x cube is going to be divided by x squared plus 1. So if you divide, it is x cube plus x. So when you subtract, this will vanish, so it is minus x. So now you can write out in the quotient plus remainder by divisor format. So let's do this. So this is x squared into log of 1 plus x squared by 2 minus integral of, remember this is going to be the quotient, so x minus x divided by x squared plus 1 into dx. The next step, I'm going to break the integration into two parts. So let's do that. This is going to be x squared into log of 1 plus x squared the whole thing by 2 minus integral x dx. Minus into minus is plus integral x divided by 1 plus x squared dx. Now we are going to perform this integration. So this is x squared into log of 1 plus x squared by 2 minus x squared by 2. Here I am going to perform substitution with 1 plus x squared is equal to t. So 2x dx is equal to dt, or x dx is equal to dt divided by 2. So this is going to be plus integral of dt by 2 by t. So this is x squared by 2 into log of 1 plus x squared minus x squared by 2 plus 1 by 2 integral dt divided by t. So finally all the substitutions we can do after integration. So x squared by 2 log of 1 plus x squared minus x squared by 2 plus 1 by 2 log t. I'm putting back the expression. So it is 1 plus x squared plus c. Now log of 1 plus x squared by half, and this is also the same, so they are in plus sign. Log a plus log b is log ab, so this is going to be equal to log of 1 plus x squared. Here there is an x by 2 plus 1 by 2, so I am taking a 1 by 2 also outside. So what will be left will be this x squared plus 1, because from this term I am taking 1 by 2 log of 1 plus x squared common. So this will be into x squared plus 1 minus x squared by 2 plus c. In the next video onwards, we will find solutions to the questions in exercise 7.9. See you in the next video. Bye.